Come in. Whoa, what the fuck? Who are you?
Who the heck are you?
I just told you that. Listen, I'm from the future.
How dare you point at me?
You were pointing first.
Rude to point.
You're being very rude. You're not.
Hey, so I'm you from the future. You can call me Big D, and I'm here to tell you some secret updates about the future tech. Oh, that sounds really interesting. I do have a couple of questions regarding that. What can we expect in the AMD processor game in the future? Well, AMD is coming out with their new next generation processors, the Ryzen 7000 series, to up its game this year. Really? And how exactly are they planning to do that? Well, the new processors are coming out with the new technology of Zen 4 and TSM's new 5nm node that will give them the 15% performance boost than their last predecessor. They did have a demonstration of the CPU handling AAA gameplay in which the clock speed remained at 5.5 GHz, and if that wasn't enough, the Blender workout was thrown at it as well, in which it ever so graciously outperformed the i9 12900K with a mind-blowing margin of 30%. Really? 30%? What else can I expect about this series? Well, the Ryzen 7000 series will be offering support to the DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0 SSDs. I'm sorry, did you really say PCIe 5.0? Oh yes, Apacer and ZDX finally announced their consumer PCIe 5.0 SSDs. But haven't CPUs supporting this standard been out for a while now? Oh yes, you got that right. But they were never able to juice out its complete capabilities. Now you guys will have two options, and that would be, come on dude, the one we just discussed, the Ryzen 7000 series. And what about the other one, the Intel older CPUs, and they have been out for a while now. But how is this 5.0 different from its predecessor? Well, these hold the capacity of stretching out the read and write speed of a whopping 12,000 to 13,000 Mbps, and they are at least 4 times faster than the 4th generation. And how is this Apacer and ZDX different from each other? The only difference is the cooling mechanism they choose. And what about Intel 13th Gen? I heard that one was coming out as well, right? The Intel 13th generation Raptor Lake processors will bring out more cores, more connectivity, and a revamped core structure. And it will be supporting 5.0 SSDs as well, right? Yes, and the processor might have 6.0 GHz of boost clock as well. Oh, so this is being brought to square of the AMD Ryzen 7000 series, if I'm not wrong, right? Exactly, and it will set a stage for a fierce battle for the desktop CPU supremacy, particularly for the best CPU for gaming, as Intel and AMD beef will have a new face. Okay, I have to admit, all of this sounds really good, but what about the GPUs? What about the Nvidia's RTX 4000 series? Anything on that? Ooh, that's a tough one. Well, I can't give you much about it, but I'll tell you this, it'll have the 4th generation tensor and 3rd generation ray tracing cores in it. And anything else you want to add to the series? Okay, I'm not supposed to tell you this, but it might be packed with the 12 graphic processing clusters, which is 70% more powerful than the 3090 Ti, and the 4090 will be twice as powerful as 3090 and will have a TDP of 450 watts. Okay, I've told you enough already. I can't tell you much. I have to go. Oh wait, where are you going? I still have a couple of questions about the future, man. And guys, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Kryptronix Gaming for more such content from Big D.